Welcome to our educational channel. From class 6th, the chapter 2 is playing with numbers. To improve the basic skills in mathematics, we should know some proper skills in this playing with numbers. So like 4-5 methods or topics are explained in this briefly one by one. So its PDF is around 20 pages. You can find the link in description below, the document or PDF file. You get it first. Then by listening this video, you can solve the problems from that. So every topic, few sums I'll explain. Need to practice the remaining in same concept to improve the all the basic skills, especially in this playing with numbers. You'll understand one by one. Let us see the skills. First, you should know about the divisibility rules. So all the divisibility rules you should know. Worksheets I am providing here one by one. First, before that, let us see all the concepts of divisibility rules first. This right side I will explain. Then we will see the PDF pages one by one. Okay. So what if any number is given, that number is divisible by, these are the single digits like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 as per your syllabus. If a number is divisible by 2 or not, first condition is if the last digit is even or 0. So for example 14. In 14 the units place is 4. This is even number. So this is divisible by 2. Like 296. 6, you should check only the units place. If the units place is either even or 0. If it is 70. 70 is divisible by 2. That means take 70 and divide it by 2, you'll get remainder as 0. It's perfectly divisible. So rule for 2 is the last digit is either even or 0. Next rule for 3 is the sum of the digits. We need to add the digits. If it is 216, so we need to add the sum of the digits. 2 plus 1 plus 6. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 6 is 9. So sum of the digits if it is divisible by 3. So this 2 plus 1 plus 6 is got 9, right? 9 is divisible by 3. So 216 also divisible by 3. If you already know the rules, just directly skip this rules and you can start the worksheets. Just briefly I'm explaining all the numbers divisibility rules once again. Rule for 3 is sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Right. Next 4. If the last two digits are divisible by 4, last two digits. If you take 4188, last two. 88 is in 4 table, so this divisible by 4. 3004, last is 04, no? So 3004, this is divisible by 4, right? Next rule for 5 is last digit either 0 or 5. Simple. If it is 310, 615, last digit must be, the units place should be either 0 or 5, that is divisible by 5. And rule for 6 should be satisfy both 2 and 3. If any number is satisfying the rule 2 and 3, that is exactly divisible by 6. So if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, if you take 314, 4 is even number, so 314 is divisible by 2. But 3 plus 1 plus 4, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, but it's not 3. So this is not divisible by 6. Okay, 316, 3 plus 1 plus 6, 10. You're not getting this. So if you take this, 3162. Last is 2, it's divisible by 2. 3 plus 1 plus 6 plus 2, so 12. It is divisible by 3. So it's divisible by 6 anyhow. Next rule for 8 is last 3 digits should be in 3 table. Last 3 digits should be in 8 table. So 6128. Check if 128 is in divisible by 8, then this number is divisible by 8. Other than this, 1800. 800 is indivisible by 8. So 1800 is also divisible by 8. 120 is not a table. 8 times 1 is 8. 48, yes. So these are divisible by 8. And rule for 9 and 3 are same. 9 also we need to add the sum, but should be divisible by 9. If it is 189. In 189, 1 plus 8 plus 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 is divisible by 9, so 118 also divisible by 9. And rule for 10 is last digit is 0. Okay, 190 or 2000. 160. The last digit is 0, that is divisible by 10. Okay, so once perfect this divisibility rules, then you can start the worksheets of this. You can check now. Few examples I'll show you. They're asking first number is divisible by second or not. State 7660 divisible by 10, right? Because last digit is 0. Divisible by 2, there are 6 they're asking. That means last must be even number. Yes. Again 7 plus 4 plus 4. 7. You should check with 4, 3 divisible by 3 or not. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. 15 is in 3 table. 4 is even number. So yes, this is divisible by 6. So not showing everything, just page number 2, 3 also you have in this PDF file. There is so many problems I am giving. By observing divisibility rules, you can complete all the pages in that PDF file, right? Again, we have multiple questions also I am giving. Each number is divisible by which of the following? 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10. Okay. For example, first one, this is a number. Rule for 2 is ends with the even number. So this is not 2. Okay, 2 is not. Next to 3, 8 plus 9 plus 3 plus 1. Okay, 10 and 21. 8 plus 9, 17, 3, 20, 21. 21 is in 3 tables. Rule for 5 ends with 1, not 0 or 5. So not 5. 6, it's not 2 but 3. So 6 also not. 9. 21 is coming, no? 21 is not 9 table, not 9. So even not 10 also. Only 3 it is. So normal divisibility rules you apply and just find out each and everything. This PDF page number 4 also you can practice remaining all the problems. Next, when you come to one more skill, first skill you should be perfect all the divisibility rules. Next, based on the properties, we have the factors. Find the factors. 70 is the number. All the positive factors. In which table we get the 70? No need of know all the tables till 70s. First check 1 is the factor for every number. Divisibility rules. 70 is divisible by 2, no, ends with 2. So it's in 2 table. Next, so you can, instead of writing, you can make the table wise, it's easy. 1 times 70, 2 table 35. 3 will not go, it's not divisible by 3, not 4. Next 5. Ends with 0 or 5, it's divisible by 5. If you do the 5 table, 5 times 1 is 5, 7 no, 2 carry, 24, so 14. Next 6 is not, next 7 table, 7 times 10. Right? Next 8, 9 will not go. So 10 table. 10 times 7. So same, it's repeating. So not of writing last one. Because 10 into 7 or 7 to 10. So now the factors are, these all you can write. 1, 2, 5, 7, 10, 14, 35 and 70. Okay, these all if you write, they are the factors. 1, 2, 5, 7, 10, 14, 35, 70. Just same way, take every problem, every number and find out the factors of this. So be perfect first divisibility rules and concept, then you can do this full page remaining. Even page number 6 in PDF also, you'll find out the questions. Next skill, you should know the prime factorization. Okay. In this prime factorization, only with the prime numbers. Prime numbers will begin with 2, next to 3. 4 is not prime, 5, 7. So previous classes you learned the prime numbers, list of the prime numbers I explained. No? Depending on that, by using prime numbers, we should factor. That means first is 85. 85 will go in 2 table? No. 3, 8 plus 5. Not divisible by 3. Next to 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 6, 7, 8. 3 carried, no, 35. 5 7 is 35. 17 is prime number again. 17 times 1 is 17. So 85 we can write product of the prime factors is 5 into 17. That's it. Okay. For example, 99 you are taken. Now take 99. 2 is not divisible by 2. Next prime number is 3. Only with prime numbers you should take. 3, 33 is 99. Again will go in 3 table. Then only if it's not going 3 prime, next prime 5 you can check. 3 times 11 is 33. 11 is also prime number. So 11 times 1 is 11 directly. So 99 we can write 3 into 3 into 11. So product of the prime numbers it is. Only prime factorization. The meaning of this is prime concept, right? Just you can do same way. For example, let's take this 84. So 2 is the prime number. 42. Again 2. 21. 21 is on 3 table. 3 times 7. 7 or 7 times 1 7. So like this also you can write and stop. Okay, 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 is prime factorization for 84. Okay, so this skill will be perfect first of all. Next, we have the HCF and LCM concepts. Okay, HCF of two numbers I'm not showing here. You can get the PDF pages. It's 13th page. So 9, 10, 11, 12. You have the pages in PDF file now that you can practice with the similar numbers and HCF of two numbers also in the worksheets. We start directly with three numbers. To find out GCF, greatest common factor, we have the methods. Let us do division method first. For example, in 27, 63, 45, take any two numbers first. I am taking 27 and 63. Take the bigger number middle, left side is a small number you type. So first I have taken these both. These two find out HCF first. Okay, then 27 table, you check 63 when you go. 27 table directly 63. You can use the rough work. 27 times 2, 54, and 27 times 3, more than 63, no? So 27 times 2, 54, then subtract this. 63 minus 54, so 9. Then after getting 9, again, whatever this divisor place, so it should come as a dividend. You can make this is 27, you can write as in dividend. Next 9 table 27. 9 times 3 is 27, 0. Until you get 0, you should do it. Once you get 0, finally the last division which is in this place now, divisor place. So that is the HCF. So 9 is HCF of this 27 and 63. Now take this both. Now take this 9 and 45 and do it again. So take 9, 45. Always bigger number, left side small number. That will 9 table. 9 times 45 is 0. So 9. So overall HCF is equals to 9 now. First two you can take. Okay, previous I am giving some worksheets now in PDF. There is only two numbers are there. Directly you can do it. Once practicing that only you can come to these three numbers. Okay, let me show you one more example. Let's see the second one. For 80, 40, 60. Okay, let's take 80, 40 first. 42 is 80 directly. 40 is HCF. 40 and 60 next. With 40, next one 60. 40 times 1 is 40. Subtract 20. 40 should write here. And 22 is 40. Remainder 0. Answer is 20. Okay, this is the division method. We have some methods are there as per your school syllabus also. You can practice what are the method, you know, HCF, various methods also you can do it. And we have the concept of LCM now, least common multiple. Okay, in this we have so many methods. Just division method I'll do directly. You can practice any method. I'm giving number of questions now. You can practice from this. 20, 30, 40. Take all three numbers. First, which is the common table 20, 30, 40. At least two, more than one. You should take 20, 30, 40 common table. If you take two table, 2 times 10 is 20. 2 15s are 30. 2 20, 40. Next, if you take two table 10 and 20 will go. 15 is not going, no, 10 and 20. So 10 times 5 is 2 times 2 table. 10 and 20, 2 table. 2 times 5 is 10. 15 is not in 2 table, right as it is. Okay. Next to 2 into 10 is 20. Next we have 5 table because 2 is not possible, only 10 is there. 5 times 1, 5 times 3, 5 times 2. And then finally 1, 3, 2. No common table, just take ones 3, write as it is. 3 ones are 3. Next take 2, ones are 2, right. This all if you multiply, you'll get the answer. So LCM is equals to product of these all numbers. 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 2. We can multiply. 2 is a 4, 4, 5 is a 20, 23 is a 60, 60 into 2 is 120. 120 is the least common multiple of this. Okay. Already you practice this type of methods in school, but you need to practice more questions in similar way. you'll get clear idea, right? Let us take for example this last one, 18, 36, 27. Directly, if you are able to take one single table, you can go directly because 3 will go, 9 will go. Directly, you can take 9 also. 9 times 2, 9 times 4, 9 times 3. You'll get same answer. Now 2, 4, 3. 2 if you take 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 is a 2 to the 4, 3 as it is. Now you can stop and multiply also these all. Now even you can multiply 9, 3, 2, 3. Outside, no? These also multiply, that is the LCM. Even you can multiply 9 into 2 into 2 into 3. If you take even 2 three table also, you get same. That you can take next, instead of writing extra 2 steps, it will multiply here and stop. 9 2 is 18. Again 2 3 is a 6. You just multiply. 6 8 is a 48. 4 10. So 108. 108 is the LCM of this, right? So this is the basic skills you need to perfectly practice in this number concept. LCM, HCF you should know first of all. Then prime factorization and factors, finding the factors, especially the divisible rules. And these are the main divisible rules you should know. Then by after listening this complete video, then you can start practicing remaining problems from the PDF.